Okay, so here we are in the Carnival Splendor in the aft balcony suite. Our luggage is already here, which is very early this time. And we have a small entryway, and this is the main area. Nice and bright room. And over here you got the 3 wardrobes, one with shelves, one with a small shelf, and then hang up stuff, and then one here that you can put all your long dresses and whatever in there. And behind on the other side you have the bathroom. It's a nice sized bathroom. Has everything you need. Magnifying mirror, little shelves. Comes with soap and shampoo dispenser. And it's nice and clean in here, nice and bright. And you got like 3 drawers here. 3 drawers ready to fill up. Got your TV. Down here you have your refrigerator. And it comes empty, so you can order stuff, and we brought a couple of bottles of wine and then have everything cold. It has a couple of you got your safe here, of course. Has a nice shelf that you can put all kinds of stuff underneath. So it's got plenty of storage in here, and then you have another little shelf here. Of course, there's the bed. There's lots of storage room underneath. That has a couch, little table, and a place to hang your hats or whatever you want to hang up there. Of course, the main thing that we like this room for is the aft balcony, which is a nice size. You've got a lounger and 2 chairs, little table, and the one we have is kind of like, well, kind of center, but off center maybe. So this is the view from it, and that's Miami. That's where we're sailing out of. And so I'll show you one last look at this way, and going back into the room. So that's an aft balcony room for you, and I hope this helps you make your choice on the ship.